I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, lifestylers. How's everybody? Guys, I'm getting ready to go take the kids off the bus. And cool, guys, where I get little flowers. It's cold outside. Guys, remember me did tell them to say I'm here thinking what I can make for the kids. I'ma just remember say I have a whole something I asked cow foot I mean. I have a whole something a cow foot in the fridge. So a cow foot me and hubby I got I hear like the bus come. A cow foot me I go eat and me and hubby I go eat and the kids been asking me for mac and cheese, so yeah, them I go have mac and cheese. So I think I'm just gonna run to the grocery store when they come in. Guys, gotta make sure I go out there before Miss Promise come in. Cause she is one piece of princess. She wanna be taken off the bus. Okay, so let me come outside. Guys, I'm hungry. Woo. I'm not supposed to eat ruffles, you know, but I'm gonna eat it. Because my face looks puffy, I just wake up. Just wake up. I told me to take up Vlogmas as me jump up, I have to take up the camera. Come here and say, I run out of content. Julia, run out of content. Take up the camera, mama. Take up the camera. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. There's enough to eat this, man. Try. They're here. Let's see where Miss Mom.
Yeah.
You're in your snow pants,
Yeah.
your boots, your hat. Why you? Remember, Grandma said to zip this up to keep your chest
Yeah.
warm.
Yeah.
Hi, Money. No, you're not fair.
Come on.
Money, you're not fair. Okay,
Mm.
that Christmas gift. Go. Promise win. Always want to do this to Promise. Look how Promise dirty, guys. Look at the princess, how she dirty. Huh? Money, you're not fair. Push. Money, not fair. Hmm?
Oh my God.
Well, no, I'm washing it. Oh, Money.
My
You
God.
knocked it over with the
Down
bag.
there.
It went down there? Oh my goodness.
Mm.
Excuse.
That's our fault, Mom.
Yeah, man, look at it. Look where you're going.
Stop throwing it there.
I'm sorry.
Why are you doing that?
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
No, I can get it ever again, Mom.
That's not nice.
I didn't mean to.
Now I can put other letter.
Yeah, you're not gonna have all your letters?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, Mama. Money, why does your shoes look like that?
It's muddy.
Why do you go in the mud? You're not two.
I didn't go. I didn't go in mud.
I didn't go in the mud. The grass was muddy.
Okay, when you finish, make sure you go clean that shoes. You get the cloth and you bring the shoes in the garage. There's a bucket on the step and go wipe that shoes down.
You're sorry for mom.
Don't even put it in the put it at the garage at the back door, because when you're done you go clean it off.
Please, mom.
It's been coming, guys. The guys start. Go wash your hands, Pram. Money, go wash your hands.
I'm washing it first. That's so bad. I'm done.
No. That's too quick. Go get soap and wash your hands. Dirty water is still running off your hands. Not like that. And dry your hands with paper towel. Pardon? Here's the paper when you're done. Don't go in there.
I'm afraid to stop peeing.
Take up your lunch bag and come. So guys, the big old boy can provoke promises, see?
What do you mean to me?
Or the book fair.
The winter open house is coming soon.
When?
Other week back.
Mama, come.
You didn't eat your lunch. So come sit and eat your lunch. Okay? It's your favorite. You love tuna sandwich.
But I want to keep it at home.
Okay, come and eat it. You still got one more piece to eat. There. There's sometimes I have to wonder, promise make it.
It's double-sided.
What's this now? Oh, winter open. Oh, it's Thursday, December. Oh, this Thursday, the 12th, 5:30 to 7. Okay. Photo booth, cake, hot chocolate. Okay, we're gonna have to. We'll try and go. And the book fair on Thursday too? When is the book fair? Oh, family sales is on Thursday. Okay. We'll try and go Thursday. Is that after school, right?
I remember I went last week.
Hmm?
I remember I went to the winter open house last year for Nice.
Want chocolate milk?
Yeah, please.
Go sit down. Go for another basement. What you can take off of that? Go for another basement for the bathroom. The bathroom need one. Guys, how much of you mummies does this? Anything she doesn't eat at school, they're not coming in and ask for no snacks, guys. Anything they don't eat at school, I give it to them as they come in for their snacks. Yeah, come on, him a long belly, so him never have him always eat half him lunch. But promise she love play. So yeah, anything they don't eat, I give her for her snacks when she comes.
Promises?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see if your coat is hers or coat is.
I'm gonna see if is that off. Let me see if your dad can come to the open. Money, take the shoes out the way and don't let nobody fall over the shoes. Put it to one side. You should just go outside and clean it now. You want to do that?
Sure.
Pick up the bucket. Pick up the bucket. Let me give you water. There. The tiny bucket. Dad, Dad, have a slippers right here. It's not far you going. And when you finish wiping shoes, I'm gonna run to Food Basic and come back to get the butter to make
they're
it.
downstairs and just working.
We'll both promise?
Huh?
You both promise?
No. The butter and the what else you need?
Milk?
Do we have milk? I think we have milk.
Oh yeah, we did. We know, dude. Ketchup.
Butter and the ketchup. Yeah. So guys, I just got back from the grocery store. As I have a headache. I don't know where it come from, but I just grabbed 4 things, guys. Ketchup. I got ketchup. I got juice for the kids. How many of you guys like this juice, guys? I love this juice. Yeah, I drink this over orange. In my bathroom, in the shower, there's a brush that you use to clean. Scrubbing brush hanging. Yes, I love this juice, guys. I really like this butter. I normally go to Costco, but I'm not go Costco right now. I've been craving jam, but I know if I did cold food, they give me one next boy, baby. But I've been craving jam, and this is our favorite little snack in the house. Toppables. Yeah, with piece of cheese, good. So that's all I got. What? 3, 5 stuff. That's it. Yeah. And I'm gonna make the kids some mac and cheese. Go shower, run out, because I have to run out on the road. I'm gonna see if I can run to a store and grab a boots for Kamani. Come on, guys, Kamani is wearing men's size, and I've been having a hard time finding boots, men's boots to fit Kamani. What happened? Let Manny do it, Mama. You can't do it. Let Manny plug it in for you. Wait. Promise, wait. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, put it in the sink. In the sink. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take out the. You want me to plug it for you? Yeah, because I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay? There. See, you want me to do this for you? How come this not? Okay, there. You happy now? Guys, when I like kids play with plug. So, perfect. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use the butter. I bought jam. And toast bread and butter and jam. I was gonna get the grape one, but I got that instead. I like the grape one, but I don't think you guys will like it. So guys, I'm gonna let me empty the dish drainer. I'm gonna like set things in my dish drainer now. So I'm gonna empty my dish drainer. Yeah. There's some empty in my dish drainer. Money, why is the garbage over here after you from your snacks? Why is the garbage over here? Huh? Right there. Why? You seem to be forgetting a lot. Right up and congratulate you. I put some bleach on this this morning. My venting. Put them in the middle over there so I can remember to look on them. So guys, I'm making the kids some mac and cheese. They've been asking me for mac and cheese for a hot minute now. So that's what I'm making them. So now, how many of you guys use vinegar to clean your table and your surfaces? That's what I use for crackers. Huh?
On the counter.
Baba. Baba.
Guys, I need to steam some rice for me and Obi because I have whole foot in the fridge, so I need to steam some rice. I don't know what Akon I'm gonna eat because he doesn't like whole foot. I think we might have a piece of chicken. I think I might have a piece of chicken in the fridge. I'll have to cook something for him tomorrow. Because I want to shower in the next 10 minutes. I think that can happen. I want to leave out here by 10 minutes after 6. I cook 4 cups of rice. 4 of the 4 of the rice cooker cup. Guys, I love my rice cooker, man. They them invent rice cooker. Marnie, you should be able to make these little things for you and promise, eh? Huh? Yeah. I shouldn't be doing this. There's rice on mac and cheese a bebble.
Yeah.
Mac and cheese is bubbling.
There's some leftovers in there.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it. Guys, the mac and cheese land. Or if you remember me say, I go bed after I head out. We don't have no time for bed. I forgot just head out right now and bed when I come back. Because it's 6 o'clock, literally 6 o'clock.
No, this is one of.
Yeah, we don't have time for bed.
They even really good.
You got it?
Got a spoon for her?
Almonds.
Yeah.
Come from me.
Oh.
Yeah, come eat, go. It's hot. So cool it. Guys, I like the dirty dishes in my sink. I'm gonna go wash out when I use. Yeah. You want more ketchup?
That's the sense of a bakery fresh opportunity.
You have a lot of ketchup. No more after this. That's enough ketchup. That's a lot. Eat now.
Okay, Jimbo, distraction ideas, go!
Okay, get caught in the fridge.
You just had an idea.
How pretty the blue is. But there's that red again. Mr. Scary Sweary CEO, baby. Sir, I'm busy. You're the employee of the month. Yeah, for you.
Oh.
Yes, you are. Ask Buddy for my job.
I want to have drink.
Great, I'm employee
I want to have drink.
Dude.
I'm gonna give mine
Since
drink.
you're employee of the month,
A
we're
little
going
bit
to relaxing
juice.
spa day to help you relax more, so you can be more relaxed. Also, the spa day starts right now. Also, it's mandatory.
That's what you had the table. And of course,
Sideways until you're on Neptune's fourth moon.
I have to drink what's left, guys.
Astronomy. What is your step right? I'll be in my office.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna brush my teeth and head out before,
Come back.
yeah, and head out, alright? So we'll touch base later, alright?
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say